Are you tired of noisy, inefficient air conditioners that just can't keep up with the summer heat? Ever wondered if a ductless mini split could transform your home's comfort and save you money at the same time? What if you could control your room temperature from anywhere, right from your phone or with your voice? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ductless air conditioners. I've put these systems to the test in real-world conditions, and I'll share not just the highlights, but also the honest drawbacks, especially for the lower-ranked units. Let's get started. 7. Senville SENL-3616. Starting off our list is the Senville 36CD-16, a 36,000 BTU powerhouse designed for large spaces up to 1,800 square feet. On paper, it's impressive. High SEER2 efficiency, DC inverter technology, and smart home integration with Alexa. The promise of whisper-quiet operation and a robust 5-year warranty certainly caught my attention. In my tests, the Senville delivered strong cooling and heating, even during extreme temperatures. The DC inverter technology noticeably reduced energy use, and the system maintained a steady, comfortable climate in a spacious living area. The dehumidifier and turbo functions were especially effective during humid days, and the Alexa integration made adjusting settings a breeze, even when I wasn't home. However, installation is where things get tricky. This unit absolutely requires professional installation to maintain the warranty, and the process isn't as DIY-friendly as some competitors. The indoor unit, while generally quiet, produced more noise than expected when the swing function was active, a mechanical hum that could be distracting in a quiet room. Additionally, the unit's large footprint made it more challenging to fit in tighter spaces. Another drawback I noticed was with the included stand. It didn't come with bolts, which meant an extra trip to the hardware store, and the fit was tight for such a large unit. While Senville's customer service was responsive, these small oversights added up during setup. Overall, the Senville SENL-36CD-16 is a solid performer for large spaces, but the noise during operation and the less than seamless installation process keep it from ranking higher. 6. ROVSUN G46 Step Twirl 565. At number 6, we have the ROVSUN G46 Step Twirl 565, a ductless mini split that offers a compelling mix of affordability and features. With a SEER2 rating of 19 and support for Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Assistant, it's a modern system that aims to make climate control both efficient and convenient. During my hands-on testing, I was impressed by how quickly the ROVSUN could cool down a room. The 9,000 BTU model was ideal for spaces up to 400 square feet, and the heat pump function worked reliably even in colder weather. The ultra-quiet operation, down to 28 dB in mute mode, was a pleasant surprise, making it suitable for bedrooms or offices where noise is a concern. The smart features were easy to set up, and the app allowed me to adjust temperatures and modes from anywhere. The system also includes handy modes like Sleep, Turbo, and Eco, which help tailor the comfort level to my needs. Energy savings were noticeable, and my electric bill dropped compared to using a traditional window unit. But it's not all perfect. The biggest drawback I found was with the remote control. It's infrared-based, which means you have to be close and point it directly at the unit for it to work, sometimes frustrating if you're across the room 7. The installation instructions were also less clear than I'd like, with small diagrams that made wiring more difficult than necessary. If you're not experienced with HK installs, you'll definitely want professional help. While the ROVSUN G46D-0565 is an excellent value and very quiet, the remote and installation quirks may frustrate some users. 5. Albott SAC011. Moving up the list, the Albott SAC011 stands out for its energy efficiency and user-friendly features. This model is designed for those who want a balance between performance and convenience, offering self-cleaning, dehumidification, and a robust heat pump for year-round comfort. In my experience, the Albott was easy to operate right out of the box. The self-cleaning mode kept the air fresh and reduced maintenance, while the dehumidifier worked wonders during muggy days. The system cooled and heated my test room quickly, and maintained a consistent temperature without noticeable fluctuations. One of the best features is the Follow Me function, which senses the temperature at the remote's location rather than just at the wall unit. This meant the room was always comfortable, no matter where I was sitting. The Albott also impressed me with its quiet operation. Even at higher fan speeds, the noise was barely noticeable. Installation was straightforward, especially with the included kit, and the pre-charged refrigerant made the process quicker. The energy-saving inverter technology lived up to its promise, and I saw a substantial drop in energy usage compared to my old central AC. If I had to nitpick, the design isn't as sleek as some higher-end models, and the remote, while functional, feels a bit basic. Still, for the price, the Albott SA011 delivers excellent value and comfort, making it a strong mid-tier contender. Number 4. GLACER Mini AC Split System. The GLACER Mini AC Split System earns its spot at number 4 thanks to its quiet performance and solid feature set. With a SEER 2 rating of 21 and support for multiple modes, cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidification, it's a versatile choice for year-round use. Testing the GLACER, I was immediately struck by how quiet it was. The indoor unit was nearly silent, and even the outdoor compressor could barely be heard unless I stood right next to it. This made it perfect for bedrooms and home offices where peace and quiet are essential. The system's inverter technology ensured rapid temperature changes and stable comfort, even during heat waves. The GLACER's installation was relatively simple, with a standard 15-amp plug and a pre-charged condenser. I appreciated the iFeel remote, which adjusts the temperature based on the remote's location, improving overall comfort 10. The self-cleaning and auto-defrost functions reduced maintenance, and the washable filter helped keep the air clean. There were a few minor drawbacks. The instructions could be clearer, and I had to purchase a few extra tools to complete the install. Also, the remote was missing from my package, though customer service quickly resolved the issue. For the price, the GLACER offers excellent value, especially for those who prioritize quiet operation and easy maintenance. 3. DELLA 48 TL-12KV-19S I+O. Cracking the top 3, the DELLA 48 TL-12K2V-19S I+O is a standout for its combination of smart features, efficiency, and reliability. With a 19 SEER 2 rating, Alexa and Wi-Fi compatibility, and a robust heat pump, this model is built for modern homes. In my tests, the DELLA cooled and heated rooms up to 550 square feet with ease. The inverter technology meant quick temperature changes and stable comfort, and the iFeel mode ensured the system adjusted to where I actually was in the room. The unit was impressively quiet, with indoor noise levels as low as 34 dB, quieter than a library. Smart controls were intuitive, both through the app and voice commands. I could schedule temperature changes, switch between modes, and even monitor energy usage from my phone. The self-cleaning and auto-defrost features kept maintenance to a minimum, and the gold-plated fins prevented rust, ensuring long-term durability. Installation was straightforward, with a comprehensive kit and clear instructions. The only minor downside was that the outdoor unit is a bit heavier than some competitors, so mounting required an extra set of hands. Overall, the DELLA 048 TL-12KVS I+O is a reliable, efficient, and smart choice for most households. 2. Klimaire KSIV024-H219-S. At number 2, the Klimaire KSIV024-H219-S shines with its high efficiency, advanced inverter technology, and exceptional performance in both cooling and heating. This 24,000 BTU unit is ideal for spaces up to 1,500 square feet, making it perfect for larger rooms or open-concept homes. The Klimaire impressed me with its quick, even cooling, and whisper-quiet operation. The 3D airflow technology distributed air evenly throughout the room, eliminating hot or cold spots. The turbo mode was a lifesaver during heat waves, rapidly bringing the temperature down. The Follow Me feature and high-density air filter contributed to a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. One of the standout features is the Wi-Fi module, which lets you control the system from anywhere using your smartphone. I found the app responsive and easy to use, and the ability to set schedules and monitor performance remotely was a huge plus. The system also has a home-away freeze protection mode, keeping rooms at a safe temperature when you're not home. Installation was smooth thanks to the quick hook design and pre-charged refrigerant for up to 25 feet of tubing. The warranty, 5 years on parts and 7 years on the compressor, adds peace of mind. The only thing to note is that due to its power, this unit requires a dedicated 220-volt circuit, so check your home's electrical setup before purchasing. In summary, the Klimaire KSIV024-H219-S offers premium performance, advanced features, and excellent reliability, making it a top choice for demanding users. 1. DELLA 048 IF11K2V7S ISO. Taking the crown as the best ductless air conditioner is the DELLA 048 IF11K2V-17S I+O. This model combines everything you want in a ductless system: high efficiency, smart controls, quiet operation, and robust heating and cooling for year-round comfort. From the moment I installed the DELLA, it was clear this unit was a step above. The 19-SEER 2 inverter system cooled my test space rapidly and maintained a steady, comfortable temperature with minimal noise, just 26 dB indoors, making it virtually silent. The gold-plated fins and auto defrost features ensured reliable performance, even during winter. Smart features are where the DELLA truly excels. With Wi-Fi and Alexa integration, I could adjust settings, set schedules, and monitor usage from anywhere. The app was intuitive, and the voice control worked flawlessly. The iFeel mode and 4D airflow delivered personalized comfort, while the eco and sleep modes maximized energy savings without sacrificing performance. Installation was hassle-free, with a comprehensive kit and clear, step-by-step instructions. The system comes pre-charged for up to 24.5 feet of line set, making setup straightforward for professionals. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to self-cleaning and washable filters. In daily use, the DELLA was a joy, quiet, efficient, and powerful. Whether cooling during a heat wave or heating on a chilly night, it performed flawlessly. The customer support and warranty coverage were also top-notch, adding to the overall value. If you want the best blend of comfort, efficiency, and smart technology, the DELLA 048 IF11K2V-17S is my top recommendation. It's an investment that pays off in energy savings, convenience, and year-round comfort. Final thought. So which ductless air conditioner will you choose for your home? Let me know in the comments which features matter most to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and home comfort tips.